Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos to iPhone's photo gallery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. The most efficient and the easiest method is for you to get a YouTube Premium. Once you have the YouTube Premium, for that you have to simply go to the use section and then go to try YouTube Premium for free and then get yourself a premium. Once you do that, you will be able to go back to home and tap on this three dot and download the video, which will not only be downloaded to your draft, which will also be downloaded and available there in your iPhone's photo gallery. Now another thing that you can do is, which is the long process, for you to simply go ahead and tap on share and then copy the link, and then you have to open your browser and then go to one of the downloader tool, for example like Cobalt or Youth. Paste the link that you have just downloaded, and all you have to do is tap on save to photos and wait for the download to finish, and you can go to your downloads in your folder in your gallery and you will find the video there. Now you have to remember, when you use a third-party app services, it might not be as efficient as having a premium on the YouTube itself. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.